Hello student. Today I am going to explain different applications of computers. Computers are being used almost everywhere in our daily to daily life. Some area where the computers are widely used are: first is at home. A computer is used at home by children and adults for various purposes, such as for playing games, listen music and watch movies, type letters, store address and phone number, draw and paint. Now, computers are used in schools. Computers are used in schools by teachers, students, and non-teaching staff members. First is teachers use computers to teach different subjects. They use them for preparing lessons, report cards, and timetables. Test paper, circular accounts, details, and many other things are maintained with the help of computers. Third point is students use computer for preparing projects, learning different subjects and playing educational CD-ROMs. Students also use them for activities like playing games and giving online exam. Online education is done primarily through the use of computers and the internet. Computers are used for medical purpose. Computers are widely used in medical field. They have become essential tools in managing different functions in a hospital, nursing home or a lab. Some of the use of computers in medical field are as follows. The first is computers are used to maintain medical records and treatment details of patient. Nowadays, many operations are performed with the help of computers. A lot of research work in the medical field is done with the help of computer. They are used to find a cure for various diseases. During medical test and checkup, specific human body parts are examined. A test can be as simple or a regular blood test, or it can be a complex as a CT scan or ultrasound. They all are done with the help of computer. Now, computers are used in film and televisions. So, computers are commonly used in the field of entertainment, whether it is a film, television or any multimedia program. First is while making feature films, cartoon film too, or any animation films, computers are the great help. Second is special effects are added in movies with the help of computers. Computers help to create characters and scenes of flood, fire and storm. Sound, movement and expressions are given to cartoons character with the help of computers. Computers are help in banking. The computers are used in banks are in following ways. The first is operate ATM and provide internet banking facilities. Keep record of account holders, include details of money deposited or withdraw from any account. Do online inquiry of a customer account balance, update of account balance and calculate interest and verify the check of customers. Now, computers are used in offices. Computers are used in offices of the following purpose. First is make and keep records of an office document, maintain employees' personal and salary records, communicate important information through emails, type and print office document. Now, computers are used in libraries. Computers are very commonly used in libraries in the following way. First is computers are most often used to get access to a library books database. A library computerized book database and makes it easier to keep a record of books issued and returned. Some librarians allows internet access from their computers for online research and other related functions. Computers are used in science and technology. There are numerous applications of computer in the field of science and technology. First is in space research program, small errors or miscalculations can create serious problem. Computers provide fast, accurate and flexible ways of handling data. Computers help in research and inventions. They help in launching missiles and satellites, conducting experiments, making different scientific equipment, weather forecasting and many more such as scientific activities. Computers are used in designing. Architects use computer to design house and buildings. Engineers use them to design cars, scientific apparatus and equipment. Fashion designers use computers to design garment. Computers are used in shops and hotels. Computers are used in both shops and hotels to do following tasks. First is keep record of them, generate bills, keep salary details of employees, manage data of employee and customer.